Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I am recording this video pre-market and I want to give you the information so that any kind of big move happens today, you can catch it. If you like this kind of video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post regular videos on stocks that are about to break out and we all can benefit from this. So this particular video is about ticker symbol AMC. We all know it has a short squeeze. It went up to $22. It came down. So what's happening now? So let's look at the daily chart. Like you can see that from $3-4 it went to $22, came down. The next 2 days it tried to go up. Then again some different app, Robinhood as an example, like there are some limited buying opportunity, so the stock came down, and I know many people now they are converting from Robinhood to another platform. So once the whole profile is converted, there may be another push towards upward. I'm not saying how far it will go, but another push, just saying. So this is a daily chart, so you can see like the stock came previously around 6.5, bounce back. Even the day before it came to 6.2, bounce back. Yesterday was a red day, not a bad day, and the good thing is it is like stable. If you look at the RSI, not bad, it is like 55, and also the MACD is sitting here. Why I'm making the video? Because when I'm looking at yesterday's price action, so we were down yesterday. We came all the way around like 6.75. Then we started, not yesterday, I'm sorry, yeah, the 2nd of February. So there's a gap up. We came down all the way. We tried to go up and we settled around $8. Yesterday we opened, came down, and again we tried to go up. So this is the line, like 6.74, 6.8. So we tried twice yesterday on an hourly this is a 5-minute candle, twice, but we could not break it. But at the same time we did not drop significantly. Look at the support around 6.3. also look at the support around 8.5. why I'm showing this, you see the green line here, this is a 5-minute candle yesterday, and this is 6.8. so you can see that this is the ascending triangle. We are squeezing and we are coming in this area, and maybe at one point when we break 6.8 we can go higher. So there is a big gap between 13.2 and 9.8, so the stock can run high. Also there is another resistance which is 11.75, which is around here. I see like 1, 2, 3 few lines. So anyway, so if you see there is a jump after 9.8, it can go up to 11.8 or it can go up to 13.2. I'm not saying it will go to 22 today. The after hour it came down by 40 cents, even the pre-market down by 2 cents, but we all know this is AMC, how fast it can move. So just wanted to bring this to your attention so that you can gain some profit if you see the stock price goes above 9.8. We tried to break out twice yesterday because it was yesterday's high. We could not break it, but who knows, if we can break it today we can go even higher. So how you can play, I made in my last video that I'm playing with option. I have a February 12 expiry option for strike price 15, and I think I spent around $93. And yesterday I was up around $30-40. Then it came down, but still I'm at break even. I'm just spending only $90. So in case it goes high, it goes to $11-12, my premium will be higher, my profit will be doubled. I will just sell it. So anyway, it's entirely up to you how you want to play this particular stock, but just wanted to make sure like you know what's happening, and I'm making the pre-market video so that any kind of movement happens, and when the market opens you can gain some profit. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also have a Twitter page and Facebook page. Please try to follow me over there. And also, like if you are using interactive broker, if you are interested, because the option purchase price is really low, you can use the following link below in the description so that you and I both get some free benefits. And end of the day, also if you are interested for using a trading view, normally the platform I use for charting, you can use the link below so that again we get some free trial and also we can get some added benefit. Anyway friends, thank you very much and have a great trading day. Peace.